Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we thought we'd take advantage of this beautiful weather today and come up to Lawson and do one of the walking tracks around here. So come along for another adventure. So the good thing about this walk is not only do you have your bigger waterfalls, you've got lots of little waterfalls like that one just sprouted out all along the road as well. So plenty to look at along the way. Alright, so that was the South Lawson Waterfall track. So basically it's just a big loop of a track. There's about 4 major waterfalls there and lots of little tiny, not waterfalls, but little streams just off to the side. It's a fairly easy track. I describe it as a easy down, hard up track. It says some steep declines and inclines, but as long as you take your time and watch where your footing is, you'll be fine. Just bring lots of water. So we're just going to head over and check out some more waterfalls on the other side of Lawson. Alright guys, so that was Fairy Falls. Yeah, very easy to get to. It's literally a 5-minute walk from the car park, which is situated just behind Lawson Pools. Yeah, anyone can do the walk, very easy. It's a good little spot, nice little waterfall. And the good thing about it is there's plenty of different walking tracks leading off it as well. So yeah, if you're coming here for the day, there's plenty of walks to choose from, and yeah, do different grades. Haven't done any of them yet, but we'll definitely come back and check it out. Yeah, so that's all from us today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.